So my opinion on partnerships, if there's a great value and maybe you got two different skill sets that align and you can partner up and get a property, maybe some guy knows how to do all the maintenance and one guy has money, it makes sense. My recommendation would be to make sure you have the exit plan set up before you even start it. So how would you dissolve this partnership? Basically plan the end before you even enter into it. And then before that though, would be do it yourself if you at all can, if it's feasible, if you know there's a way for you to borrow the money and take ownership of the project and handle it yourself. That would always be my number one. And partnership would be on the back burner if needed. But try to do it yourself. Try to get the property alone, if at all possible. Say if you want to have 3 partners, or now you're getting into maybe a bigger development, it'd still be the same strategy. Have the management plan, have the equity, and have the exit. Make sure all that's in writing before you enter into it. And then you should be good. Almost like a prenup, if you will, because that's what a partnership is. It's just like a marriage, and it can get sticky. Somebody should have the majority or at least the final decision on things like a sale or a refi or liquidity event in the partnership. So you don't want to have it where there can be a stalemate and it can cost everybody. So you want to let somebody, maybe it could be a third party even, but have something in writing where major decisions get done.